Hello, YouTube. Hope your evening's treating you well. Let's play some 10-minute on 10-minute chess. Excuse the board, it was from the previous game, which I won, by the way. If you saw the last video, you know how that went. All right, e4, e5. Playing Mente Divina from Chile. Let's see how this one goes. We've got ourselves a center game. Oh, let's go for Danish Gambit. Is that Danish Gambit? I think. Let's see if my memory serves me. Okay. And then the correct move here is this, I want to say? Nimzovich. This is the Nimzovich defense. I screwed that up. It's not the Danish Gambit. Correction. Oh, I think you do the Danish Gambit as white. Ah, what a dum-dum. Okay. Hitting this pawn, trying to win it back. Okay, so now I'm a pawn down because I thought I was playing a Danish Gambit, but I wasn't. So let's call that the Norwegian Gambit. You think it's Danish, but it's not. All right. Knight here is now prevented. Bishop. Where do you go? Something like this. Maybe I'll move the bishop this way. Something like that. Promote the bishop. Okay. Natural move for me. Shield against the pin. Now you're coming onto this diagonal, and you're not really... Are you preventing me from castling? Yes, you are. Because the king will be in check if it gets there. So, trick for the beginners is you can't castle if your king will be in check on any square that it crosses. Don't worry about your rook. Like if your king is in check here, on the way towards castling, you can't castle. And if your king is in check here, once it reaches the final castling square, which it would be, castling is illegal. Coughing is not illegal. That's okay. We're all human. Now what do I do? Let's go here. Double attack on the pawn, but really my goal is to castle queenside with this attack as a little deflection. Okay, yeah, so this is a trap. This is not a free pawn, right? A lesson for the beginners out there, which is who, I can teach. If you take this pawn, rook comes to e1, and then your queen is pinned. Now, as I say that, I could also take it with the knight, but then rook comes to e1. The knight is pinned, because you can't move the knight out of the way, because then your queen would be under attack. So let's actually threaten to win this pawn now, because now if knight takes, this is still problematic, but it's probably easier just to go for this. I like this. Hits this piece, so rook here is not really a threat. If bishop now takes knight, I end up with the open file directly towards the king. I like this. This guy's posing some danger here too, right? If this queen wasn't here, bishop could take, pawn retakes, and then free piece. Hello, free piece. Okay, so let's try to provoke this, because I do like the idea of opening up this file. And if they go back here, boom, another pawn push. They go back here, boom, another pawn push. Pawn takes, queen takes. Okay, now I got to do it since I told you guys I liked it. This is just free tempo after free tempo. Now, can't push this pawn because this pawn would hang with attack on the queen. If I push this and takes, I may just take with the knight. We'll see what I take with. Let's get this in first, and that'll open up the H file. So then little Harry Potter can make his way up. Little H pawn. You're a wizard, Harry. Okay, take that. This way, which piece do I take with? Take with you. You're undefended. I mean, you end up defended. Right now, you're not defended. Well, I also take with this guy. This guy's even better. Ah, pin. Pin, bruh. Okay, now can't take you. Takes. Yeah, there's no tricks here. I think maybe best thing to do is come in here. Okay, let's go to some illegal move. Okay, just so I don't misclick. If I come here, I hit this pawn and I hit this undefended piece. But then you take and you ruin my pawn structure. But you could do that anyway as soon as you get a time for a tempo. I like it though because at the end of this sequence, and then this, I bring queen here with a battery on this pawn, but it's defended twice, so never mind. I am an idiot. Let's go here. Nothing fancy, just, you know, trying to get some sort of attack going on the H-file. Now, this is a good way to trade off, right? Here, queen won't take because it's defended 3 times, so queen will not take. Let's see what we can do here. At the end of this, I have kind of like a doubling here. Okay. Let's go for this now. Get this going. Valuable defender out of the way. And then this pawn, this pawn. Queen on the 4th rank is a little bit annoying because it does defend against an idea or two. You come in here. Oh, okay, they do not want to take this pawn. So they're just giving me a free piece here, right? Now what if I come in here? This square is guarded twice now, so that won't work. You're just giving me a free piece. Let me duck it back into safety here. Excuse me. Now I think like queen here just to try to get a queen trade going. Also, knight here, hit this pawn twice. Well, just give me another piece. Okay, so if I take, queen takes, and then I come in here, but then this piece falls. They're just trying to come up with a counterattack, but I won't let them. Let's go for this. Is that the best move? Let's go for this. Queen's undefended. I have 4 minutes. I have hashtag 420, so I could blaze it. Okay, what are you trying to do with that move? Little in-between shenanigans. You don't have this check anymore. You have this check to win this piece. Okay. Do you win that piece though? Because I just bring bishop back here, and then the king defends it. No, you don't. You don't win this piece. Can you bring this knight in anywhere? No, you can't. My friend, you're doing quite. You're doing quite. Okay, let's go for something. Let's go for something. Triple attack. They don't have time for that because this hits. Oh, that doesn't hit because it's pinned. Okay, so that means this needs to hit. Now you're gonna take, and you win some material back. Ooh, oh, okay. You're going for that piece instead. That's fine because I have discovered checks on you. Okay, so where can I bring you now for the juiciest discovery? Here, no. Here, no. Here, double check. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Do I have nothing amazing? Here, no. Oh, here. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Check. And see, no mate threat here because king escapes. Okay, now let's win you. Crank that soldier boy. What's going on here, my friend? I've given you chances to get back in the game. Not willingly, but you know, we'll say that. Okay, what's the next move? Check here, just move here, and then I need to come up with a plan. They don't have any way to continue checking me. These pawns are both defended by the super pawn here. How do I win this game with 2:52 on the clock? What's the plan of action? Rook lift. There's nothing. There's no way to get in here. I think it's going to be a case of this piece. I need to re-coordinate my pieces here a little bit. This guy needs to come in like here. Okay, all right, there. But I mean, if I just bring queen here, queen comes here to check, and I bring you in here, then queen comes like here, then you come here. Oh, but I'm okay. Bishop's covering. That's not a threat. It's not a threat. Okay, I got to be careful. Don't put the bishop here. Let's go here. Oh no, I can't. This piece is hanging. Okay, you're coming here. Something like this. I better not lose this game. Ooh. 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 Oh no. Huh. Ah. Let's keep this game a secret between you and me, right? Thanks, guys. I need to go take a long hot bath after that one. Have a good night. Hope you enjoyed.